What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're taking a look at Pismo, an AI assistant that helps you write better emails, messages, blogs, and any other written content using quick commands. With Pismo, you can edit any text from any document, email, or website you're working on. Just choose a command, like translating text, and let Pismo get to work. You can also swap out the old copy or add the translation below it. And feel free to keep translating. It'll even double-check your grammar. Expand your content, generate entirely new copy, and translate it into any language. Pismo works so hard, so you don't have to. Pismo's base tier starts you out with 2,000 monthly requests, but Tier 2's all unlimited. That's unlimited rewriting, proofreading, and translating for life. Alright, back to the video. As if commands weren't quick enough, you can also use hotkeys. Pismo's loaded with the most common ones, but you can also create your own. Okay, let's run through a few more commands while I've still got you. Pismo can shorten text to hit a specific word count, summarize and whittle down stuff like emails to make them short and sweet, and copy text to your clipboard for later. Whether you're drafting something in Gmail or tweaking a Slack message, Pismo's got your back. All you gotta do is click buy now to start using Pismo today.